class, we can see the book search classes. It represents a book object without the four properties like title, author, and the descriptions and thumbnail. We can include a constructor to represent and to initialize the properties of a better methods for each. We can override to the strings. We can override to the strings and to format a output and displaying in the book information. Handles the communications with the Google APIs to search on the based on their informations for the users. We can consist of a two constants like API key and the API URL. It can holds the authentication requests and the API endpoints of the placeholders. And later we can see about the main classes and the search book classes for this. Here in this main classes, we can find the main method which initializes the programs and the interaction, and it promotes the user to enter the title of the book or the author, and it calls the search books to fetch the matching informations and displays the result. If book are not found, then we can notify the results, and each book information of the thumbnail or URL should be printed. And later in this we can see a main method which initializes the program for the user interactions, and flowchart of this promotes which we can promote. The user runs the applications and enters search key. Then we can see the book search class formats. This inquiry sends a book to the Google URL or a API, and in this JSON's response and a matching book is stored in the book project. The project displays each details to the user and including the thumbnail. In this we can replace your Google API keyword, and we can give a API to have the required libraries, JSONs, and the final block is the maintenance can omitted is empty to performing